Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to lock your Android apps with volume buttons. So for this guys, you need to download one third-party application. Go to the Google Play Store and here you want to search Ops App Lock. Just download and install this app on your device. After download and install, just open this app. So after installing the app guys, the app name was changed to Keynote. Just open this app, just tap on next, and here you need to set up the lock. So just use your volume button up and down. So I am setting 2 times up and 2 times down button. As you can see, after this guys, just tap on next button. Same, you want to confirm your pattern, and after these guys just tap on confirm. That's it. And here you want to select virtual button position, just select both and tap on next. And here you want to select your security option, whatever you want to select. After these guys just tap on next and tap on finish button. Now you can get this type of interface after the setup was completed. So just you need to press your pattern lock of your volume button to access the more settings of this app. So just first of all you need to enable the app lock. So after this guys, you can get your all install app on your Android device. So if you want to set the app lock on your any particular app, just you need to select that app. For example, I am selecting Google Chrome. Just tap on lock button. So as you can see, the lock button was converted into green color. This means the Google Chrome browser was locked on my device. So whenever I will open the Google Chrome browser, so this type of interface I will get. So when I press my volume button, which I have set as pattern lock, so after these guys, now I will able to access my app. As you can see, so this is a very nice and very interesting unique method to unlock the apps with your volume buttons on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.